Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sravanti. Today I am going to show you a stylish jewelry making. It will be interesting video. So definitely keep on watching the video till end. Please like and share my video. Make sure you subscribe us and press the bell icon so you never miss a video. Let's start without wasting time. I draw a semicircle pattern on the canvas and cut the pattern perfectly like this. I have glued the jute on the entire pattern. I am going to attach here jhumka and add ghungru with these jhumkas. Let's add a holding pin over the back side. And cover it like this. Let it dry. After dry, I am attaching jhumka. Our earring is done. Now we are moving towards next part of this video. I need butterfly pattern, so I have made 5 pieces of butterfly pattern. Paste the jute all the shapes. And let it dry. those butterfly pattern I am stitching together. Add some wooden ball on the edge for decoration. I am attaching necklace back row. I have made this back row in a different style. I am adding butterfly and jhumka at the end of this row. Have a final look. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.